Wow. I cannot believe Mr. Trump. Does he even deserve to be called that? You know, he's a racist. When he was running for president, he said, "I have a great relationship with the blacks." And do his recent actions reflect that statement to even the smallest degree? No. No, they do not. And besides, who would want to work with a guy that spends all of his money on himself? And could you imagine him as our president? That's insane. If Trump does become president, I hope he puts a wig on his plane and calls it Air Force One. Did you know that Donald Trump announced he got his own segment every Monday morning on Fox News? Just what Fox News needs, another blonde airhead. For crying out loud. What a character. What a character. Just going around building hotels and designing ties like nobody's business. First off, who on earth would want to emulate any part of Donald Trump? In my book, he's no one to be looked up to, especially when it comes to advice on how to do hair. Try looking at him without laughing. Both comical and disgusting. The white circles around his squinted eyes make him look like a raccoon. Seriously. Wow, there is a fox on his head or something. If he'd release that, maybe I'd think about coming back. That is, if he'd be dumb enough to make another season with the same celebrities that have already been fired by him once. Who wants to be fired by the Donald twice? Certainly not me. I hope no one else wants to either. All I can say is that I hope to never work for such a self-centered, money-driven, egotistical man ever again. I was too quick to say yes to coming on his show. Biggest regret of my life. If there's anything I've learned, it's that you do not mess with the Donald.